Hello friends, today I am going to demonstrate about how to use linear layout and what is linear layout about. Linear layout is the basic layout in Android Studio. Now I am going to create a new activity in my project. Open your project. If you don't know how to create a project, please watch my previous video. Now click on new and go to navigate to activity. So remember, for only XML you need to create Android resource file, but we are going to create both a Java file and XML. So both the Java file and XML need to be binded. See, navigate to empty activity. So we are telling the Android Studio to create a empty activity for us so that we can do anything in that activity. Like I am going to give the name like card activity. Okay, name is your no your wish. Anything you can give as a name, but spaces should not be there in the name. Okay, now it is building. Every time it will be asking to whether it need to add to git or else. Okay, I am going to go to the activity. Like we'll be concentrating on linear layout now, so we'll be not concentrating on the Java file. Okay, here if you are in the latest standard version, it will be visible three options like code, split or design. Code is nothing but the only XML code will be visible to you. Split is nothing but on the left side your XML code will be there, on the right side the XML like the what you written. Like see, I will be showing it to you. Split means on the left side you will be writing the code, and on the right side automatically preview will be generated. See, every time when you generate an activity, automatically it will be indexed as a constraint layout. Since constraint layout is the layout which will be used by many developers, since we are at the beginning stage, we should not use constraint layout because it will be little bit difficult to learn. Okay, now I am going to demonstrate by linear layout. So type just L. Okay, linear L I. So automatically Android will be giving you the suggestion like linear layout. Click on enter. See, automatically it got changed here and here. Okay, if it changed only, then linear layout has been successfully created. Okay, now I'm going to tell what is linear layout. Okay, linear layout is nothing but the meaning is there in the name itself. Linear is means linear, like it is in a sequential order. See, I am going to demonstrate about the difference between the match parent and wrap content. See, for example, I am going to give you a text view, right? Text view is nothing but only just telling about what is text. Like we are declaring my name, like my name is or else I am typing Umang solutions. Okay, and I am closing the tag. See, Umang solutions, you can see here like, see in our phone what is showing this only Umang solutions text is this much, so I kept wrap content. That means only it is occupying how much size the text is. For example, layout width, I am going to keep it as match parent. Okay, match parent. See, irrespective of the size of the text, it is occupying the whole parent is nothing but the phone size. See, phone size will vary, like if your phone is Realme like 5.6 inch or else some other phone 6.5 inch, if you click that the match parent, automatically based upon the parent size our layout will also be adjusted. For example, if you don't want like that, for example I want to keep directly the size like in pixels. In Android it is said as DP, like DIP, density independent pixel. See, I have kept 500 dp. Like for example, for the phones which have more size, it will be occupied automatically, but the phone which have less size like for 4 inches phone or 5 inches phone, it will be not be occupied. See, it has overlap. See, it came out. See, so that's the reason we need to use match parent. So it may vary, we should not hard code the size. Okay, we need to use the match parent of wrap content. Wrap content is nothing but only the size will be wrapped only for the text content. Okay, so the difference between, so every attribute we use in a linear layout has the both the layout width and layout height. Okay, and coming to the linear layout, we have another thing also, like we can add background color, like background. See, for example, I want to add background color orange. See, automatically the color has been added to whole layout, background color orange. Or else we can add any image also, like drawable admin. See, I have some image in my drawable further. I have some image may fall drawable further. You can directly get the image from local repository and paste it here. We'll be showing it. We have already shown in the previous video about that. So drawable admin, see automatically the page has been added. For example, if you want a picture in the background, or else if I want to color like color blue in my background, okay. Now and other attribute is like sorry, orientation is nothing but horizontal or vertical. See, I will be keeping as vertical, and I will be telling you what is difference between vertical and horizontal. And text view has another attribute like text color. These are name like see, text color, text size, and using with the name, with the help of name we can use it. For example, text color triple F, like I am giving the hex code of the white color, see 6F. So for example, I want to increase the text size like 25 dp. Okay, 25 dp means the text size will be occupying 25 dp. Okay, done. So text size also, you see it is showing like an error, I mean like a warning. Replace with sp. We need to use sp for text views. Why? Because for example, in our phone will be telling how much text size need to be appear in a total phone. For example, if your phone if you are not visible, you will be increasing the text size to use or large in the settings, right? For example, if we use sp in our app, for example, if the user has increased the size to normal to use, automatically this size will also be increased. So sp means scalable independent pixel, dp means display independent pixel. Like display means automatically when you open the app, automatically size will be fixed. sp means automatically it will scale as per the user's phone Android version, sorry, as per the user settings. Okay, now I am going to keep it as wrap content. See, automatically when you add any element in the wrap content, it will be shown on the left side, right? I want to keep it in the center. In linear layout, directly gravity is there. Gravity means, see, automatically it got centered here. See, center means linear layout is you can click on the linear layout, like it is showing the some border right thing. Yes, text view, it is highlighting this. So center means gravity means there are two attributes, gravity and layout gravity. Layout gravity means I will be telling it you now what is difference between gravity and layout gravity. Gravity means the items present in the linear layout, it will be setting the gravity to that. Like here I kept this center, only center means total center horizontal and center vertical. See, it is the center of the vertical and center of the horizontal also. For example, I will be clicking a center vertical. See, it kept only center vertical, right? It is the vertical, right? So it will be clicking on center vertical. For example, if I want only for center horizontal, okay, see, just kept only here. Okay, that's the reason about the gravity, center horizontal and center gap. That's it. So coming to the orientation, I will be adding it another text view here. See, okay, and some image view also. I am using SRC, like I have all the images, some admin image. Okay, I got it. See, for every attribute you open, just type the image view, type type less than and type the first letter of it, and just type forward slash. Automatically Android will be closing the tag. Okay, see, now I got this image. I got this in a vertical motion. Like for example, if I change the orientation vertical to horizontal, see what it means. See, automatically it got see, Umang solutions automatically got changed. For example, again I will be keeping it to vertical. See, automatically it got changed. So difference between vertical is horizontal is what are the elements present in the linear particular layout will be arranged in a vertical or horizontal based on this orientation attribute value. Okay, and coming to the layout gravity, I will be telling it you. See, we can nest the layouts also, like I will be showing it in your paint for better explanation. See, for example, what you are seeing now is it is a just one layout, right? It is just one layout. Okay, it is the phone screen. What I shown you, like this is one screen, only one layout. I am using it. For example, if I want multiple layouts in my linear layout, then I can create another also. Like this is the one linear layout, and I can create another layout also. Like this is the second linear layout. This is the third linear layout. We can nest it. This is called as nesting of layouts, nesting of linear layout. So this is whole one linear layout, and this is first linear layout. See, it is the first linear layout. and this is the second linear layout. Okay, and this is the third linear layout. See, so I have nested, this is the master linear layout and these three are the childs. Okay, what is meant by gravity means automatically these linear layouts will be set in the center position. And the other thing is layout gravity. Layout gravity means, see, this is the linear layout, this is the total linear layout, and this is under linear layout. So it will be setting the layout gravity of this linear layout. Like I will be showing it you now. See, for example, if I keep this one text view in one linear layout, like do one thing, keep less than and capital letter linear layout, and again you need to set match parent. I mean it's your wish, match parent or wrap content, and orientation is I want it vertical. Okay, see, now it came like that. See, it is an empty body. Now I'll be adding the text view there, control X and control V, that's it. See, now it got added into the linear layout. Now what I am going to do is, see, here it is one linear layout and it is a nesting of under linear layout. So layout gravity means in terms of, I mean, so it is a style of this layout, right? So what I am going to tell, like layout gravity. See, I am getting layout gravity center horizontal. It will not change center. See, since we have used it wrap match parent, so it will not change. For example, since if I use wrap content, say it got centered, right? In particular, I mean, in one layout, if we are going to set the linear layout, if we are setting the gravity of under layout in a particular layout, we'll be using the layout gravity attribute. Okay, layout. So only one layout is there. So we will be setting the gravity of this layout under one layout. So we have used layout gravity. Everything is simple, guys. Nothing is difficult, right? Okay, the difference between gravity means, in particular, for example, I have under text view, for your explanation, for your better explanation, I am adding this text view in this layout also. Okay, I have two text views here. So gravity center means it is only visible to this particular linear layout. Okay, only these two text views will be getting centered in this particular linear layout. But coming to, we need to set the gravity of this linear layout. So we used here layout gravity. Okay, the difference between layout gravity and gravity, I think it's perfect for you. Okay, so that's it. So the difference between linear layout gravity and gravity is that. And there are some, for example, I will be adding this under linear layout in this image view. Okay, wrap content, and orientation vertical, and close this image view. See, got it? These are two one, and this is one linear layout and this is one linear layout. See, by clicking it, you can get which is layout. For example, if I keep it match parent, see automatically this is one layout. And if you want what code you have written, just click on here. Automatically Android Studio will be highlighting which layout is what. Okay, so that's all about linear layout. So the thing that I am going to tell about that was see layout with match parent, like layout height match parent. If I keep the layout height as wrap content, like wrap content means I have only two linear layouts. So as per the linear layout only, the size has been wrapped. Like see, for example, if I keep match parent, irrespective of the size, automatically the size has been occupied for the whole parent, right? I think you have seen. So background color blue. See, you have seen the background also. And for example, we have under thing also weightSum. Okay, for example, weightSum means, for example, we have two, like one linear layout and under linear layout. We need to equally distribute the size of that linear layout. Like for example, in a linear layout, you have two text views and you need to distribute two text views in a equal condition. Like for example, I have Umang solutions weightSum. Okay, and this is also, for example, I will be keeping it as horizontal. See what else happened, Umang solutions and Umang solutions weightSum. See, it is coming in the new line. For example, Umang solutions has some less space, like only Umang. Then what is getting happen, it is not equally distributing. Like see, since it is Umang and we keep that wrap content, it is occupying this much space. For example, both need to have the same space. Like I will be keeping it, see, weightSum. Now 2. weightSum means how much elements in the there. It is not respect only for text view. It can be any of the element like edit text, image view, anything. So I have two text views, so I have kept weightSum 2. Okay. So I will be keeping as layout weight as 1, and here also layout weight as 1. Okay, see what has happened. I think you have seen it here. See, layout weight 1 means automatically it got set here. For example, if I add like Umang solutions, see what happened. Automatically it got distributed. 2 means automatically this layout will be distributed into 2. I mean, it automatically gets halved. So if I keep layout weight 1, here also layout weight 1, automatically this is for 1, this is for 1. Automatically it got distributed based upon the size. Okay, coming to any layout, you can do it. So this is the, since it's the parent layout, I am keeping weightsum 2. Since I have two linear layouts in the master linear layout, I will be giving us here layout weight as 1, and here also this is under linear layout, right? So I will be giving us linear layout weight 1. See what else happened. I think you have seen. See, linear layout, this is occupying this much page, and the other linear layout is occupying this much page. Okay, see, you can have some float values also like 2.5, and here I want to give 1.5 for it, and other one is 1. You can keep it as you like. For example, if you want more space to occupy for this and less space for it, you can keep it as 2.5, and you can keep here 2 and 0.5 for that. It's your wish. It's based upon your code. It's based upon your XML, how much need to be visible to the user. Okay, and that's all about the linear layout. If you have any doubts, or if you don't understand anything in this, you can directly contact us. We'll be posting our GitHub link also. You can check out the code there. Okay, thank you for listening. Thank you for seeing this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.